Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the different topic timeline chart. What is meant by timeline chart? Yes, whatever the incident is happening daily is recorded according to the years and date and as a historical evidence for our future purposes. With the help of this timeline chart, we can conclude that at which year the British came to our country, Dutch and the French and the Portuguese, whoever it may be the Sultanates or the British, whoever came to India, it has given a clear idea at from which year to which year they have ruled us. So this timeline chart very helpful for us to know about the incidents, whatever has happened in the past decades. Here I have taken 11 incidents to learn very easily how to draw the timeline chart and to secure full marks. Here each point secures 1 marks, and in the exam they will be given any 5 incidents to be written from particular year to particular year. Yes. Now, before knowing how to write the timeline chart, there are some basic principles to draw the timeline chart. Yes. What is that, children? Yes. First, we have to draw the straight line like this. See the children? First, draw the straight line like this. And you have to draw the first line as big as the second line because it is the starting year. So you have to draw that. It is the unit starts, and you have to draw the 4 lines, and in every fifth line you have to draw a big line compared to the previous line, and again you have to draw 4 lines short and the fifth line as big line. So like that, here I have given the big line in 3 areas. And the second point is you have to draw the scale. You have to write the scale for this. You may be wondering why in history also we have to calculate. Yes, definitely children, everything comes under the mathematics. Yes, here you have to write the scale as 1 unit equal to 5 centimeter. So here it carries the gap between the long line and the short line carries 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5th centimeter. So every 5th centimeter the line should be big when compared to the previous lines. And again 5 lines and the 5th line should be a big before compared to the before line. Yes. So these are some of the principles you have to follow in the timeline chart before you are writing the years. And again, the third point is you have to write the years. You have to write the years in order, not as a descending order. You have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means what? 1463, 1487, like that the year should be in the order. And also you will be having some question why you have given a different years, why it is not a continuous years. Yes, that is a very good question, children, because I am given here the different years in different spaces. There is a gap between the years. I have not given the continuous years. Yes, in history, according to standard 8, we have given only the important incidents. When you are studying the major as history means you can write every year and every month, and you can give the full detail about the timeline chart according to historians. But here in 8th standard they have given only very important points. So here the gap between the different years. Understood, children? Why there is a gap between the 2 years? because very important incident is given in your textbook. So according to that, we have planned to write the timeline chart. Understood, children? Yes. The first point is you have to draw the line, and according to the line, every fifth line should be in a very big line when compared to the previous line. And the second point is you have to write the scale. 1 unit equal to 5 centimeter. This is the standard scale for all the timeline chart. And the third point is you have to write the year. Whatever the year they have given, you have to write in order. Understood, children? Yes. It is nothing but very easy to learn timeline chart if you know the incidents. Yes. Now we will move to the points. 1463, capture of Constantinople by the Turks. So you have to write this very clear manner. If you write without any spelling mistakes, you will be getting 1 mark. Understood, children? This is only for 5 marks and you have to learn everything. Yes. 1487, Bartholomew Diaz reached Africa. 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut. 1505, Francisco de Almeida, first governor for the Portuguese in India. 1510, Alfonso de Albuquerque captured Goa from the Sultan of Bijapur. Understood, children? From the Sultan of Bijapur. 1524, third voyage of Vasco da Gama. 1530, Governor Nino de Cunha moved capital from Cochin to Goa. 1556, the printing press was set up by the Portuguese at Goa. 1600, British came to India. 1602, the Dutch came to India. 1605, the Dutch founded their first factory in Masulipatam. Where it is located, children? Yes, it is located in Andhra Pradesh. Yes. So you have to write the timeline chart in the years order. That's all, children. To understand very easily, I'll give some example. In your family, you are having 4 members, and if you are writing your father's birth date and your mother birth date and your sister's or brother birth date and your birth date, means it will be coming in order. And if you bought the house, or if you bought the house before your birth, means it comes first and the birth comes the second. Understood, children? Your father date of birth and your mother date of birth, your sister date of birth, and the house in which year you have bought, and the whatever the things, very essential, very important things you bought, means that comes before, because they're all the things bought before your birth. So all the things come under the year, and finally your date of birth. That's all, children. So when you are writing the incident according to the year, that is called as simply timeline chart. Understood, children? Yes. Thank you, children. I hope you could have understood how to write this timeline chart. In the initial stage, you will be having some confusion, but when you practice it, it will be very wondering how to secure 5 marks very easily. Once again, thank you, children.